Morning in Klong Toei starts early. People are already out, setting up stalls, walking through the narrow lanes, getting ready for the market. Everything feels close here. Homes, sounds, and people. Life here isn't always easy. Homes are crowded. Work can be uncertain, and opportunities don't always come often. From the outside, Klong Toei is usually talked about for its struggles. But when you spend time here, you see something else. No one stands alone here. Everyone belongs to something bigger. There's a strong sense of community. Just a few steps away, there's another part of the neighborhood story. This is Cooking with Pooh and Friends. The class was started by Pooh, who grew up here and began by teaching visitors the same dishes she cooked at home for her family.
พี่ก่อนที่จะมาทำโรงเรียนสอนทำอาหารพี่ขายอาหารตามสั่งขายที่หน้าบ้านคุณแม่ก็คือวันหนึ่ง25 เมนู 100 คนมาซื้ออาหารที่พี่ทำแล้วก็ทำงานวันหนึ่งประมาณ 15 ชั่วโมง
Believing that home cooking is something valuable, something worth sharing. Inside the kitchen, things move quickly. Vegetables are chopped, curry paste is pounded, pans are sizzling. The class doesn't just stay inside the kitchen. Food cooked here is often shared with people around the neighborhood too. In small ways, the class gives back not just through income, but through meals, care, and connection with the community around them.
ทุกคนที่บุ๊กกิ้งมาที่คลาสพี่จะกันเงินส่วนหนึ่งช่วยเหลือธุรกิจเล็กๆในชุมชนเราปีนี้เป็นปีที่ 18 เราช่วยเหลือประมาณ 28 ธุรกิจเล็กๆก็คือขายอาหารในชุมชนเราเนี่ยแหละแต่ทุกคนก็คือไปตลาด
As the class goes on, people start to open up. Visitors ask questions, share stories, and slowly get more comfortable.
The class feels personal and real. There's laughter, storytelling, and a sense of welcomeness that makes you feel genuinely welcome. Not like a tourist, but I felt more like invited guest.
By the end, everyone sits down to eat together. Food is shared, along with quiet moments of appreciation around the table. In this small kitchen, Klong Toei shows another side of itself. Not just a place with challenges, but a community that is resilient, resourceful, and proud.